Hi, I'm Shari. Welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to, do a little look. I'm subscribed to this girl named Deborah Jen here on YouTube. She's on their website anyway. Her name's Deborah Jen. Got this package from Makiage. 14-day trial. If you love the product, you keep it and you pay for whatever you got. And if you don't like it, within 14 days you can ship it back. The way I see it, you can try the products for free. If you like them, keep them. If you don't, send it back. Come in this big bag. It says minimalism is dead. It's in a little box. Il Makiage. In the box is the products. I chose the number 18 lashes, Color Boss swag eyeshadow. Look at the packaging like this. I can see why everything's so expensive. It's the packaging you're paying for, honestly, but the product is good too. Color Boss Squad Trendsetter 4-pan eyeshadow palette. Comes with a big mirror, and then of course I already dipped in, and of course I got whatever. It's whatever. So yeah, there's the packaging. It's super heavy. It just feels expensive. And then I got this liner. Pretty cool liner. I'm not good with liner, and you guys will find out that soon. Liner, 2 shadows, lashes. Yeah, that's what I got. And so today I just wanted to play with those products, and yeah. So I'm just gonna put on a quick base. I'm gonna use the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I use it as a foundation. That's what we're gonna do today. Try it with this brush. So yesterday for me was such an off day. I don't know. I didn't do like my normal routine stuff. So it was like the whole day was off for me yesterday. I just like right away in the morning I usually clean my house and cook for the kiddos and stuff, and yesterday we had to go to town and get a few things, and we left right away. Like I didn't clean the house, I didn't do nothing. Whole day was off yesterday because we got home and I cleaned my house and stuff, and it's like the kids were just the kids were miserable. They wouldn't listen. They were fighting. They were running around screaming. They were just it was a crazy day yesterday. This looks really yellow. I suppose that's because I'm so sunburnt. Just me and Carmen home right now. What are you doing, babe? Where's your toys? Pretty excited about school. We started school shopping. I got the boys each a couple outfits so far. Still got a lot to get. Their daddy got them each a pair of shoes. So we got a couple outfits and 2 pairs of shoes for them. Yeah, I'm excited about school coming up. I am. I'm gonna use this Nude Sticks Bondi base for the contours. Thank you, baby. Around here. Oh, look. Everything looks off. You can keep that off, honey. Oh, baby. Wow. I'm going to play with them dudes right here? Yeah? Okay. Last night was crazy. I tried to sit and play with makeup, and oh my god. I used the dang liner. And the liner was not nice to me. So I don't think I'll be using it today. Unless I do round 2 with it. Like I did last night. I don't want no repeat of that. Me and liner are not friends at all. At all. Some girls that can do their liner and it's just like so good. And then there's me. I play with liner and I look like my kid did my makeup or something. So I'm getting a little better with the lashes, but it's the liner. That's just like, doesn't want to be my friend at all. I'm gonna take this shade here. Oh shoot, I gotta prime my eyes. Duh. I use the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Light 1 as a base for shadows. It gives the shadows something to stick into, and plus it cancels out any darkness. Let's go into that color there. I'm gonna take this dark brown, start putting it here. I put the most product down here and then I drag it kind of up. Just build that brown up. Kind of blend it into the crease, I suppose. I still want to try to build that up more. Like that. Just gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna bring it all the way in here and up. I'm gonna take my finger and I go over the edge. I always do that to get that little blended look. Like that. That's a really big cut, but whatever. Let's just do this other one real quick. The lid, I'm gonna put this champagne-y color. I'm gonna do it with my finger. My fingers work the best. Look at that shimmer, it's so pretty. It's like a silvery champagne color. Now let's go in with this maroon looking color. Put it right there. Silvery, champagne-y color. And then we'll kind of go over the top of that. Like that. And go back into that brown. Pat over the edges of that. And then we'll go back in with that crease brush, put a little bit more of that dark one on there. And we'll take a more cleaner brush and pat over what I just did. I'm gonna do the same to the other side and I'll be back. Now I am going to take some of that champagne color under my eyebrows. And clean up underneath my eyes. Clean up the edges. Oh my baby. I'm gonna finish up the lower lash line. I just want to do this to support Deborah and to, I don't know, just come play with makeup today. But my kids, you know, they demand my attention. Of course, you know, I'm the mommy. That's my job, to give them attention. And so, this is the furthest I'm gonna be able to get. I'm so sorry I didn't get to play with the lashes today. But I'll be using them sometime when I have the time. I mean, my boys want to swim. They want me to take them swimming outside. We have a pool. Carmen wants to swim, huh, Carmen? Carmen wants to swim.
Yeah!
So, this mommy has to take Carmen swimming.
Yeah!
Yes, we're gonna swim.
Yeah!
This is the Photo Focus, Wet n Wild Photo Focus, concealer, whatever. Couldn't play with the lashes, and you guys didn't want to see me use the liner anyway, cause I suck at liner. That's something I'm gonna keep practicing on. Okay, hold on, Carmen. Let me finish this lower lash line, and we're gonna go swimming.
Yay!
Woo! 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 How excited are you, Carm? Are you so excited? They love when mommy takes them swimming. And we usually swim every single day. We have a big pool outside. And I swear Carmen can already swim, huh, Carmen? I have a life vest for him. And he doesn't let me hold him in the pool. Like, he pushes off me. And he knows how to doggy paddle already. And he's only 3. Thank you, Kev. You ready, buddy? Ready to swim, Kev? Okay. Deborah Jen, I love her. Makiage, I get it why they're such a expensive brand is because their packaging, like legit, their packaging has weight. Or is it plastic? Maybe like an expensive packaging, but yeah, it's heavy. Just go check out their new website and try some makeup products for free. It's a win-win in my eye. All you have to do is pay the shipping for right now. And honestly, the 4 products I chose, if I keep these packages, it's gonna cost me $100. That is a lot of money. For the lashes, the liner, the quad, the eyeshadow palette, and that little shadow, $100. Like I said, you can even test the products, so I would just suggest test them and see how you like them. Check out Deborah Jen. She's pretty awesome.
Pretty bomb. Wish I could have finished my brows, but like I said, I'm just going to the pool anyway. So yeah.
Have an awesome day.
Put down your phones, throw down your tablets, and go play with your babies.
Stay blessed and love up on your babies. Bye.